Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this is my papa's project, the native chicken. So he just made this fence cage for the chicken, native chicken. So I'm gonna share to you about the expenses that he spent for this cage. It's a 90 meters size, and in this net costs 10,800 pesos. It's like $211 US dollars. And this bamboo, he already have bamboo here, so it's free. And those chickens, it's like a wild chicken here, so he decided to make this project for the chickens. It's native chicken, not broiler chicken. It's more delicious if it's native chicken. This is a journey for this project, so I'm gonna give you updates about it and tell you the pros and cons in another video coming up. So my father had a caretaker here. I think at least 3 people. So they made this house for the chicken, and 2 of them. Well, I have shared those. Papa at least had spent 500 US dollars for the project. As I said, bamboo. The bamboo, the foundation of the fence is free, so he just bought the net for at least $200 and made houses, 2 houses for the chicken to raise them. Many eggs coming soon. It's like a movie coming soon. I'll give you an update for this project for you guys wants to have an project to earn money here in the Philippines. This is a good business. It's for sure be good in the market, because in Koronadal city, especially in Mindanao, this is a very high demand, and our supply is not enough, so it's a very good business. This is one of the 100 opportunity for business for you guys who Filipino want to invest or married to a Filipino. This is it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. I'm gonna give you more updates for this one, and also vegetables and stuff. Thank you guys.